Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our chapter number 1, the 4 dolls. So let's start the reading. Who is a good human being according to you? So what are the qualities of a good human being? A good human being is a person who always speaks the truth, who never tells lie, who keeps the surroundings neat and clean, who respects the elders, or who never teases birds and animals. What else? Who always helps the poor and needy. So these are the few qualities of a good human being. So what you are going to do now? You are going to start your chapter with an intro page in which you will mention the qualities of a good human being. So now we will read the story of the 4 dolls. There was a king and he had many wise ministers in his court. Wise means intelligent. So he has so many wise ministers in his court. The wisest of them was Jagannath. But there was a minister, his name was Jagannath, and he was wisest of all the other ministers in the king's court. What happened one day? A sage came to the king's court. A sage means an extremely intelligent person. He came to the king's court from a foreign kingdom. Foreign kingdom means from a nearby country or another country. What was his purpose to come? He came to test the king's minister. He came there specially to test how intelligent were the ministers of the king. The sage comes to the king's court and addresses respectfully to the king, "Your Majesty." Your Majesty is a way to address a king or a ruler. I have 3 dolls with me. What does the sage say? That I have 3 dolls with me. You can see he is holding a bag and there are 3 beautiful dolls in the bag. I would like your ministers to tell me what message these dolls convey. He asked a question to the minister that his purpose to come to his court is to test the intelligence of his ministers, and he wants all his ministers to ask a simple question, that each of these dolls conveys a message, gives a message, and what message does each doll convey? The king asked all his ministers to look at the dolls. The king calls all his ministers and asks them to look at the dolls and find what message each doll conveys, that what message is given by each doll. It's not an easy task to look at a doll and to tell what message does it give. This has to be done within 3 days, and the king gives 3 days time period to all the ministers to come with the answer. What happens after 3 days? The ministers assemble. Assemble means to get together or to collect. The sage is also there, and the sage is present in the king's court. But only Jagannath is ready with the answers. All the other ministers, they are not able to answer what message is conveyed by each doll. Only the one minister, who is that? Jagannath. He is ready with the answer. And Jagannath says, these 3 dolls describe different kinds of people. What does he say? That the 3 dolls which the sage have, all 3 dolls give a different kind of message. You see, each doll has a hole in its ears. So each doll has a hole in its ears. Jagannath hands the king a piece of string. So Jagannath brings a string, means a dhaga. So he gives a piece of dhaga or a string to the king and tells the king, put this string into each doll's ear. And he requests the king to put that dhaga or to put that string into the ear of each doll. Intrigued. Intrigued means confused, puzzled. The king became puzzled that how with the help of a dhaga or a string the answer can be given. So he was quite puzzled and the king puts the string. The confused king puts the string into the first doll's ear. And what happens? It comes out of the other ear. As he puts the string into the one ear of the first doll, it comes out from the other ear of the first doll. Now Jagannath says, this is the first type of person. So the first doll tells about the first type of person. Whatever you tell him or her comes out of the other ear. He or she does not retain anything. Whatever you tell such kind of person, he listens from one ear and he let it out from the other ear. He or she does not retain. Retain matlab keep anything with him or her. Means such person, they listen but they do not act because they listen from one ear and let it go out from the other ear.